Díomh Fáilte Rash Hicken Canal. Hello everyone, you're very welcome back to the channel. Inyo ben muid ag thoma isteach e ceann den rudi is samula is dar na hÉireann. Today we're diving in to one of the most fascinating parts in the history of Ireland. Scríobh nóireacht Ogham an Abítar Chealtach Orsa. Ogham writing, the ancient Celtic alphabet. Dús tá trí leagan den níos anseo fáil, tosahor, idirmheánach agus ard levéil. Firstly, there are three versions of this video available: beginner, intermediate and advanced. Agus tá nasc don a físean eile sa chuirsias, and there are links to the other videos in the description below. Mar sin I linn, a Shane, a dó, a trí. Buinú úsáid as scríobh nóireacht Ogham níos mó ná 1500 bliain ó shin. Ogham writing was used over 1500 years ago. Tá Ogham mystéireach, all-in, agus tharbheith practical. Ogham is mysterious, beautiful, and surprisingly practical. Ag deir an is anseo, bé is at conas da anam hain a scríobh in Ogham. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write your own name in Ogham. Ach, cad é Ogham, but what is Ogham writing? Is sé an chéad hampla de Gaeilge scríofa, is the earliest example of written Irish. Déantar é le línta nó anganí gearrtha chlocha nó aimid. It's made up of lines or notches carved along the edge of stones or pieces of wood. Tá gach shra lína in a litter amháin. Each set of lines represents one letter. Gopriva úsáidiú é le hanamnacha agus teornacha talún a hafada. It was mainly used to record names and land boundaries. Tá breis is ceithre cloch Ogham aimsithe in Éireann. Over 400 Ogham stones have been found across Ireland. Comala Cuidalban, na Bratna Bige agus Ilan Vannin, as well as in parts of Scotland, Wales and the Isle of Man. Céin fá a úsáidiú scríobh nóireacht Ogham. What was Ogham writing used for? Ba abítar fractacúil í Ogham. Ogham was a practical alphabet. Buinú úsáideas uigana agus le ceannairí a chomóra. It was used on graves and to commemorate leaders. Úsáidiú é freisin le húnaireacht talún a churnúil. It was also used to record land ownership. Agus uaireanta eile, úsáidiú é do cheachtarachtaí rúnda. It was also sometimes used for secret messages. Mar níor thuig ach beagán daoine litirtha é, because only a small literate group of people could understand it. Bhí Ogham le fáil sa saol léithúil agus sa saol spiridálta. Ogham played a role in both daily life and in the spiritual world. Tá go leor clocha le scríobh A mach B no trev C. Many stones have inscriptions like A son of B or tribe C. Ceann glíonn siad Chailí lena talamh agus lena star. They connect families to their land and to their history. Anis an cuid spríomhail conas scríobh in Ogham. Now for the fun part, writing in Ogham. Tá litricha Ogham denta sús le grúpaí líntaí in aice le lína lárnach. Ogham letters are made up of groups of lines along a central stem line. Lína amháin yes ná B. One line to the right is a B. Gá lína yes ná L. Two lines to the right is L. Ang amháin trasna lína ná N. And one notch across the centre line is N. Chun de anam a scríobh, tarring lína amháin lárnach a piece of paper. To write your name, draw a vertical line down the centre of a piece of paper. Sin an fréamh, this is the stem. Cuirlínta nó anganí do gach litter id anam an bhréamh sin. Add lines or notches for each letter of your name on this stem. Mar hampla seo an tanam Sean. For example, this is the name Sean. Agus lean an íomhá ar an scáil le gach litter eáil. And follow the image on screen to see all the letters. Agus sin é, tá tú a scríobh cosúil leis na Celtic orsa. And that's it, you are writing like the ancient Celts. Níl in Ogham ach abi tarháin. Ogham is not just an alphabet. Is ná scéile star le daoine agus le cultúr na hÉireann. It's a link to Ireland's history, people and culture. An chéad uair a eicinn tú cloch orsa, féach an bhfuil línti ar an imel. Next time you see an old stone, see are there lines along the edge. Ní maisiú amháin iad that it's not just decoration. Ach sin é dóineo chuirde, that's it for today everyone. Gur míle mágah as brenuair seo. Thanks so much for watching. Ná darmid chlárú leis an canal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go dtíon cé ceann eile, a Shane, a dó, a trí.